2013 Jaguar F-Type Upgrade 10-point to 5-inch screen installation tutorial. First, pry open the decorative panel above the screen. The decorative panel on the knob is also pried off. The Start button decorative panel needs to be pried off. Unscrew the screws of the knob and screen frame. You can remove the screen frame. Remove the fixing screws on the screen. Remove the screen. Unplug the cable. Start wiring and installing the screen. Now let's take a look at the effect of the installation.
你好，小杜。
你好。
打开导航。
當年佢以新移民身份嚟到香港，經歷多番努力，成為專科醫生。今日究竟會學到你？
I'm a cage like a bird in the night. I know I'm changing. I know I'm changing it into something big.